long you're staying around?
It's cold. It's freezing cold. Oh my gosh.
No, it's super warm.
This is a warm day. This is freezing. Okay. God. Like no wax is sliding. wave got dropped in on, but it's all good because I'm freezing cold. And I might have a back problem now. Ah, so fun! First surf in Portugal. It's epic. Even though I'm freezing cold. Okay, first surf session as a 32-year-old was a success. Caught some waves on this board, even though it was really slippery and slick, and the water was cold, and the waves are different, but I'm so happy and thankful, and this is awesome. Never did I think I'd be surfing in Portugal. So nice! Choo-hoo!
Still not touching the water. Imagine,